Hi, second graders, it's Mrs. Compton. Happy last day of Halloween story problems. So this is it because we just finished up Halloween, and I'm sure many of you went to Halloween parties over the weekend, so that's what this story is about. Okay, so I want you to zoom in on this with me. You can see that I have a clock, and you probably noticed that my clock has two hands. One is red and one is blue. Do you know which one represents the minutes and which one represents the hours? Let's see. This one represents the hours and this one represents the minutes. So if I have this pointing straight up at 12 and this at 7, the time is exactly 7 o'clock. If we move the minute hand forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little ticks, this is 7:05. This would be 7. Does anybody know? 7:10. This would be 7, 5, 10, 15. So we're counting by fives every time we are moving that minute hand to the next number. So what time would this be? What do you think? That would be 7, 5, 10, 15, 20, 7:20. See how it's pointing to the 4? All right, I'm going to turn this around now. I'm going to change it, and I'm going to ask you what time you think it is. All right, hold on. Okay, ready? What time is it? What do you think? Okay, on the count of 3, tell me. 1, 2, 3, tell me. Did you say 12 o'clock? Or did you say 3 o'clock? Let's take a peek. We've got this pointing straight up to the hour. Or excuse me, I said that backwards. We have this pointing straight up to the 12, and this is our minute hand, which means it's exactly on the hour. So this is 3 o'clock. All right, so this is 3 o'clock. This is, what time is that? 4 o'clock, and so on. Let's see, what would it look like if we had 4:30? What would it look like? Okay, I want everyone to hit pause. I want you to tell your teacher or your parent, what would it look like if it were 4:30? Don't interrupt your parents if they're working, though. All right, let's see. I'm going to take a guess that some of you knew that it would look like this, and that you knew that this was halfway around the clock, so that's 30 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. And the blue hand is our hour hand, and it actually is creeping more toward the middle of 4 and 5, you see? So we've got 4:30. A lot of kids get this part mixed up a little bit because they think it's not on the 4, so they say 5:30, but it hasn't reached the 5 yet. First, we have to get all the way to the 5 before we can say it's 5 o'clock or 5:30. Okay, so what if I actually went this way? What if I took off 5 minutes? What time is it? What time is it now? I took off 5 minutes from 4:30, so now it's 4:25. What if I take off 10 minutes from here? Where will it be? All right, let's see. Where will it be? The minute hand will be pointing at the 3, and we would say this is 4, 5, 10, 15, 4:15. Now, if you're looking at me going, I don't know what she's talking about. I don't know how to read a clock yet. You're not supposed to know how to read a clock yet. We're all just learning, and we're going to have lots of practice reading clocks this school year, and your parents will help you, and your teachers will help you, right? So we just stretch your brain just a little. All right, so we are going to get ready to see our story problem today. Our story problem is all about a Halloween party, and we are going to say hello to Pacific and we're gonna say hello to Talia in Mrs. Lim's class. Hi, Talia. All right, here we go. Halloween party. Talia went to a party on Halloween night. Okay, we're just past Halloween now, right? So you guys have all done your parties. The party lasted minutes. Talia was picked up by her parents at p.m. What time did Talia arrive at the Halloween party? Ooh, this is a biggie. So we know for sure we're going to find out how long the party lasted. We know for sure what time she gets picked up. We are trying to figure out what time did Talia arrive at the Halloween party. Ooh, that's a tough one. Little stretch of the brain. Okay, so here are your number choices. Here we go. Let's see them. We've got 35 and 7:40 p.m. 35 minutes and 8:45 p.m. 45 minutes and 9:05 p.m. or 70 minutes and 10 p.m. Talia probably shouldn't be partying till 10 p.m. That's pretty late for a school night. Okay, let's see. So we've got, I'm going to try it out with 35 and 7:40. So Talia went to a party on Halloween night. The party lasted 35 minutes. Talia was picked up by her parents at 7:40 p.m. What time did Talia arrive at the party? Okay, so let's get our clock. I'm going to make it 7:40 on my clock. So let's see. Ooh, it's almost like they're pointing almost in the same spot. So my blue hand is my hour hand, and it's pointing, it's between the 7 and the 8, but it's getting closer to the 8 because it's almost 8 o'clock. And here's my hour hand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes right there. So it's 7:40. Now the party lasted 35 minutes. It was probably one of those quick drive-by parties, right? So they were in and they were out. So what time did the party start if this is the time she leaves? All right, kids, it's up to you. You've got to pick your just right number set. Make sure you can do these two with strong strategies before you go here. All right, see you next time. Bye.